Hello learners, in this video we are going to discuss about the techniques in the examination room which will help you to pass the examination without any anxiety, and it is must for every candidate to note down the following things while he is writing the examination in the examination room. So the first thing that he should keep in mind is to settle down and relax himself before writing the exam. So just close your eyes, take a deep breath, put all the things that you have brought in the examination room like your pen, pencil, etc., and relax yourself. Now learners, the next thing that you have to do is to read the question paper thoroughly. In case of ICSE and ISC board, 15 minutes are allotted for reading. So check the instructions very carefully, how many questions from each section you have to do, and underline keywords in the question. Choose your best question, mark them, analyze the questions very carefully, whether it is a what or how or why type of question. Now this is very important, because when you are answering a question you should always keep in mind that what you have to answer and how you have to answer and for what reason, if you have to give a reason. So the questions are of three type: what, how and why type. So you have to keep this thing in mind while you are answering your questions. Now the next important thing is about the time management. Now this time management is very important. You have to list the question according to marks, write down finish time for each question, to keep 10 minutes at the end for checking. Now in case of ICSC, the time is already allotted in the question paper for each question, so you have to follow the instructions which are given on the question paper about the time management, and if you will follow that, you will be able to finish each question in the exact time allotted to you. Now learners, planning your answer is also very important. When you are writing your answer, first you have to do a briefing, which you can start with writing the value points or your ideas and giving them some details. Since you cannot write anything on the question paper, do planning at the beginning of each answer in points, and you have to improve your writing speed also, and this can be done by practice. Do not see what other candidates are doing, do not see that how many sheets they are using, etc., because this is irrelevant for you to see what others are doing. You have to concentrate on your own work and on your own paper without looking here and there and without watching that what other candidates are doing in the examination room. Now students, you have to set your priorities before you start your answers. So what you have to do, answer your best question first. Stick to the time allotted for each question. Mark for two half questions are more than one. Stick to what is asked in the question, and while you are writing, you have to write in simple sentences, write in short sentences, checking spellings and punctuations, avoid long background, introduction, etc. And at the end of the exam, always check your answers. If there is time, avoid cutting also, and see that if you cut your something like a word, if you are cutting a word, always cut it with a single line and write the other word in place of it on top. So if you will follow all these instructions, I am sure that you will be able to score high marks in your examination, and that too without any anxiety. So these are some tips how to pass your exam without anxiety. Thank you very much for watching this video.